So this is what it is. Orzo salad, pasta salad. Real simple, real easy, few ingredients, light, delicious, some garbanzo, some mint, some olives, and some beans. Make sure you guys stick around, see my take on it. So this is it right here. These little rice pilaf looking noodles. Real simple, real easy. They're like rice pilaf, but it's straight pasta. So what we're gonna do is I have some water boiling. Oh, holy never fails. I got water boiling already and my hands burned. Throw in that pasta and that hot boiling water. About half of the box. We're gonna add a lot of salt to it. Season it up really good with salt. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do so the pasta doesn't stick is you just give it a twirl. Get it spinning. When they start spinning, they get dizzy in the water. They have no time to cling on to each other. All right, so we're gonna give the pasta about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. And while that's getting done, we're gonna go ahead and finish chopping up what we started. I have a red onion here. We're gonna go ahead and slice up into little small cubes. There's that. Now we're gonna bring in our red pepper. Half a red pepper will do. I'm gonna take these out, little cubes as well. This is just gonna add a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. All right, so the red peppers are chopped. Go ahead and place this here. We're also gonna add some little tomatoes in there.
Why some just like quarter?
Well, some of them were too big, so I just quartered it. Try to be smart. Ask me smart ass questions, huh? All right, garlic. It's not a dish without garlic, right? Give it a little smash. Give it a little smash, and now we're just gonna dice them up and make it into a little paste. This is gonna go for the dressing that we're gonna put on top of it. Now, to make this into a little paste, a little technique that I've learned throughout the years is some salt that goes on top, and you'll see how this eventually will become a paste. Just keep chopping, keep chopping. Or you could use the garlic, what is it called?
Garlic paste?
No, the garlic.
Oh.
I forget the name. Anyways. Look at that. That salt is removing all that water, the moisture from the garlic. And now we have our beautiful paste. Freshly made. Did you know that?
No.
Now you know.
Never done that.
Yep. All right, the pasta's done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, drain it, bring it back in, and we'll go ahead and put it into a bowl and let it rest, let it cool down. I'll be right back. All right, so pasta's cooked, ready to go. I took it out, letting it cool down a little bit. Right here, as you see, this is it. Little tiny bits of
What?
rice-looking pasta. All right, so what we're gonna do, we have canned ingredients. We have pinto beans for texture. We're gonna add, these are already washed. Blah, 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 blah. Garbanzo beans are going in. And we have some olives that I forgot to dice. Don't tell my brother. He's gonna say, you weren't prepared again? No, bro, I wasn't prepared again, I'm sorry. All right, so we're gonna throw in these olives. And throw in the chopped tomatoes, the bell peppers, the orange and the red also go in. Look at all the textures inside. And we have a handful of red onions is going in, some olive oil. Olive oil goes in, give it a light mix. Now we're gonna throw in our herbs, okay? We're gonna throw in, it's a little kicker, which is our dill. Dill is gonna add a really nice buttery flavor to it. Some dried mint, a lot of dried mint. And I also have some fresh mint. This is gonna add really nice fresh flavor to this dish. Mint goes in.
Oh, I can smell the mint from here.
Oh yeah, it's really potent. I'm gonna dice up some artichokes, smaller pieces, rough chop, nothing crazy. All right, that should be good. All right,
What about the garlic?
the garlic's coming, baby. Don't worry. Give this a little turn. Let everybody get to know each other in there. And the thing is, tomorrow this will be even better. The next day is always better. All right, so that's done. We're gonna add in some salt. Throw in some black pepper. All right, so now we're gonna make the vinaigrette for this one. All right, let's put this to the side. All right, this is the way the vinaigrette's gonna go. Some olive oil, balsamic. It's gonna add that tangy flavor, and some red wine vinegar. To this, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic. Give it a mix. Real simple. And a squeeze of a lemon. The lemon, the mint, it's just gonna be so fresh. And a little bit more salt. All right, let's see. Give it a good mix. I'm not gonna say toss the salad. All right, guys, let's go ahead and plate this up really fast. Look at that. Put that in a bowl. Summertime, going to the beach. You could pre-make it a day before. Beautiful. Look at that. So let's go ahead and give it a taste.
It's good.
Oh, no. You get all the flavors, the different flavors. You get that mint, you get the lemon. Really simple, really quick, really fast recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really fast. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments. Till the next time. Till the next time. Till next time.